That was just amazing, isn't it? That was Asphalt 8 game on the Galaxy Watch Ultra. Now this is the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2024 and I'm able to play Asphalt 8 on this watch. When I posted this on X, you guys did not believe me. You said I was just playing a video on the watch, but no, this is the real game which is being played on the Galaxy Watch Ultra. And you may be wondering, why would somebody play such a complex game on such tiny screen on the Galaxy Watches? I completely agree with you guys. This is not for full-time gaming. Of course, the game is available on your phone and you will be able to play that on the phone. But I was just curious to know whether these kind of games would work on the watch or not. And I sideloaded this game on the watch and it did work. Not seamlessly, there are some hiccups. It does show some errors sometimes, but it does work. And like I said, this is not for a full-fledged gaming on the watch. It is just for maybe for time pass. You can play for a couple of minutes. It does drain some battery. But anyways, in today's video, I will show you guys how you can install this game on your Galaxy Watch, and I'll also tell you the limitations. Now, the first thing you need to do is you need to enable the developer options on the Galaxy Watch. Let's go to the settings here. Scroll all the way down. I have already enabled developer options and it is showing up here. If you haven't enabled it, just go to About Watch, go to the software section here, software information, and keep tapping on the software version number. You'll be able to enable the developer option. Once it's enabled, it says developer mode turned on. Just go back. You will see developer option right here and open developer options. Scroll down. You will see this option wireless debugging. Just tap on this and enable wireless debugging. It will give you device name, IP address, and you have an option to pair a new device. Now, on your Galaxy phone, you need to download an application called Bugyager. Let me show you that. Let's go to the App Store here. Search for Bugyager app. You can see this is Bugyager. I've already installed it. Just open the application. This is how it would look. Now on this application, we will be able to upload the APK files of the game or any other applications and install it on your Galaxy Watch. And to do this, you need to make sure you have enabled developer option and wireless debugging is turned on the watch, and you have installed the application on the phone, and your watch and your phone both are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. And of course, the watch has to be connected on the phone. Now, what you need to do is you need to tap on this icon here, plus button here, to pair the watch. It will show you the IP address here. Let's go back here. Let me open developer option and tap on wireless debugging. And let's try to connect this again. And here, enter the IP address. It is fetched it automatically. You can see the code is 35283, which is available right here on the watch, which is also fetched here on the application. I will tap on connect. Now here you can see a notification connection result failed. This step may not be able to connect your phone, connect your application to the watch. In that case, what you can do is you have this option called pair new device. Let me just tap on this again. And here I'll tap on pair new device on the watch and you get a code here, Wi-Fi pairing code. And on Bugyager application, you can tap on this pair option, tap on pair. And here you can see the pairing options are available here. And now you can see we have got the option to enter this code here. Let me just enter 088512, which is available on the watch. Now I will tap on pair. Here we go, successfully paired to this particular watch. For some reason, it is not showing me the device. Yeah, now here it is showing me the device name. So this has been connected. Now we will have to tap on connect again. I'll tap on connect and here we go. Connection result connected to this particular watch. The IP address was shown there. Now we'll be able to sideload the application from the Bugyager application onto the watch. Now finding the right APK is going to be challenging. Now I was able to get one of the APKs on apkmirror.com. I tried multiple different APKs of Asphalt 8 and one of the APKs started working. I'll try to leave a link for that in the description. You can also find an APK of Asphalt 8 or any applications that you want to try. You can get an APK on apkmirror.com and try to install it. Now to sideload the application, you need to tap on this button over here. As you can see, I have already installed the Asphalt 8 application here. You can try some games with the older APKs. You can tap on this plus button here and you can select the APK file, tap on OK. Whichever APK file you download on your system, you can just select it from this file manager application. For example, I will just select this APK over here. And here it says package could not be installed, but the APKs which works with your watch, you will be able to install it. All you need to do is just tap on the plus button, select the APK file and install it. That's how we do it. Like I said, I will try to leave an APK link for Asphalt 8 which I have downloaded. If it doesn't work, you can try different versions on your Bugyager application to install it on your watch. This is of course a bit of a time-consuming process, and this is only for those guys who are interested, who are tech enthusiasts, who want to try different things on your devices. You can go ahead and try this out. Now the limitation here is most likely this will work on the Galaxy watches with W1000 chipset, which is of course Galaxy Watch 7 series and the Galaxy Watch 8 series. I'm not very sure about the older version of the Galaxy watches. You can try to sideload the applications on your watch through a Bugyager application and see if that works for you. And the other limitation is it's going to consume a lot of battery. If you play a game for maybe 10-15 minutes, the watch might slightly heat up and you might lose at least about 40-50% of the juice. But that again depends. You can try it out and let me know how it works on your Galaxy watch. Not for everyone, only for those of you guys who are curious to know how this works on the Galaxy watch. That's all I want to share with you guys. Let me know what you think about this. Drop a comment. And if you find this video informative, do hit the like button. I would really appreciate that. And do not forget to subscribe to the channel to know more about your Galaxy devices. And do not forget to download our wallpaper application, Wallverse. There are some amazing wallpapers available on the application, both free and premium. We have also started adding the live wallpapers. Go ahead and check it out. Thanks for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. Cheers. Bye-bye.